Kwa kagita nande abunge bambunge ya kaunti ya Meru ni bethirite bakiendekithia kuona kanya ga gucemania na gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza endekithia rimwe riao riri kunenkerwa kigina kia Ward Fund. Ntububu ni bonekete kwathura na mbunge na obisi ya gavana bokatha na kinya unthu kuoneka jaka bobuting'ani ntububu ni bwatigirire obisi jicio ijiri igikinya kirimugai kigina kirima kaunti kenda kumenya uma bwa ntububu atongere mwanya ba Meru kinya bo ni bonekene kwariria mbeche iji bamwe bakiuga ni batere kunenkanirwa na bangi kugari nawe gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza nethiritwo agitariria murungamo jowe na kuga atinenkanira kinya ndururu. Mwandiki wetu wa Tomo Tugikare na gututariria nkuruki kiri ripoti ya mwanya hiyo tukubonarua ya Gîchunki gia siasa.
Kinyari kwithirite na mpatho wa Meru gatigati ka MCs mabunge ya Meru na gavana Kawira Mwangaza. Mpatho iji nakuraga kwiganwa shumini na kigina kia Ward Fund kiria gavana Kawira kiri manifesto jawe kagitene ga siasa ikira wirane akarekeria kigina kia mung'ana jwa milioni 100 na nikio nandi MCs ba Meru bethirite bakirira wirane bobo ingwa
ati gavana icimu abo otike bokuria kinene itukare nthiguru twaranirie botigire biaku nago banenkere biao bombe gwitira wananchi bangugi
no indi baingi no bethire bagishure kigina iki kia Ward Fund ni kuga atia giki ni kigina kiria gitumikaga mono ni thirikari cia matura kureta mirandi ya witi na mbere wamwe na kigina kuthomithia na baria bategucumba kiria nikio kigina kia mbasari na ndi untu bwa kugwata na kumenya kiri kigina kia Ward Fund kia mbere urungamiri bwa kaunti bwathiri kuthondeka miswanda kana kuthondeka mwatho ja gukinyaniria utumiri bwa kigina giki bwa jairi kigina iki kibatere kwambirwo gutumirwa nyuma ya ukuruko kwa mawatho jorungamiri bwa mwerekeri bwa utumira bwakio ni mbunge ya kaunti bwa ithatu ni utongeria bwa kaunti yake bwathiri kurungamira utumiri bwa kigina iki wambiriria wa mirandi ira yonjorithitwo gukurukira kigina kiri watho bogai bamenya no tungata kiri kureta kung'anania MCAs ni bathiri gwika njara kiri mutaratara juu na boinya uthurania bwa maoni ja mwingi ni gintu kia bata akariba kaunti ni bathiri kweja na maoni ja mirandi ira bakwenda ikinyaniro ya mbere ukurukira kigina giki boja tano MCAs ni bathiri kuthingatia na kuthuja mirandi mwanya ira ikinyaniritwe ukurukira onjorithia bwa kigina iki na nkuruki ni bathiri kureta akari amwe ni ukenda bakaja na mirandi ira bakwenda onjorithia ukurukira kigina kiu.
Honourable Speaker, guided funds are important in the sense that they also do development better. Looking at all these funds, they target specific areas. The scope is not in limit. We have various fronts that we need to do development in.
Na nandaja kaunti ya Meru kigina kia Ward Fund kiambiririe kagitene kwa wathani bwa gavana Peter Munya alio mwaka ejanaga mung'ana jwa shilingi milioni 25 na kinya kiri wathani bwa gavana Kiraitu Murungi kigina iki no kiario ada mianka ya mbere iria ejana mung'ana jwa shilingi milioni 20 na miaka wingi ithatu arenika kigina kira kinya mung'ana jwa shilingi milioni 10 na au nio nyungu na ndirumirite riko MCs bambunge ya Meru bakenda kumenya na ndikiri wathani bwa Kawira bakona mung'ana jwa mbeshi ng'ana.
Madam Chair, what I'm requesting our governor in a nutshell is that let us sit down and agree on a minimum figure that is going to go to every ward and then involve just the MCAs in identification of the project.
Na ndi atongeiria kathumba ni baigitwe kiriro kia MCAs kege kigina kia Ward Fund wa mbere ari mubunge wa Tigania West John Mutunga arikitie muswanda mbunge akiendekithia kigina iki gitonywa kiri katibu wa mona kigina kia CDF.
All the members who are elected by the people deserve to go back to the people and report to them on development. There is no development that can be carried out without the participation of the members, and therefore it becomes a development that is owned fully by the people. I would like to propose that this constitutional amendment is further amended to include the Ward Fund. Ward Fund is one of the funds that is contentious in many wards today, because there is no clear description of the money that goes to the ward, to the constituents, to the counties, on what basically goes to the ward. And therefore, I believe this motion could be amended to include the ward fund as well.
Ni nteto iria ciethirite kigwata mbaru na ciandikithwa ni munini wa spika kiri bunge ya seneti seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kathuri Murungi akiuga bakarania na bunge ba bunge nene wamwe na mutongiri wa mugongo Dr. William Ruto gutigira muswandano jukurukwa kenda ukethera kuri na kigina giki.
I'll talk to the leadership and see how we can initiate it again, because after the 6 months have lapsed, we revive it again so that we talk to our brothers in the National Assembly again through His Excellency the President to ensure that we have one development fund.
We are asking that in that constitutional amendment, and we have already approached the Speaker of the Senate and the Speaker of the National Assembly, that WDF, Ward Development Fund, be part of that discourse, so that when there is entrenchment of CDF and GAF into the Constitution, it will go together with WDF.
And therefore, these funds are not in vain. And I believe if we integrate the ward fund as well, it would basically come in to support some of the specific areas like CDF is so guided.
Rutere ronge kirea bunge bambunge nene kigina gya CDF ni keberu mbere ya bunge bo mwaka yujo batonyo obisine kigina iki ikirikana gitare kiri katiba na gitathiri na kwa ukaba kumenya bunge barabarite na wakagitaga ka batiumbite kwa mukira kigina kiu na ikiririkanwa kigina iki kiambiriria mwankene jwangiri jireni ithatu kiri bunge ya kenda mwankira mwanka yojo jwangiri jiri 22 kigina kiria kiari kia Gîchunki kia biere kuma kirigana kia mbanjetire ridetwe na kwa tukimenya kwa miaka 5 ekurukite ogicigo mbunge kionthe kiri mongo jwa Kenya nikithirite kia mukirite kigina kia mung'ano jwa shilingi milioni 120 na kigina iki kia CDF kiareti kenda bunge bakomba wike mirandi maturene kwao ta kugwata mbaru kithomo barabara cia thirikari nene gutegera ukaria na mirandi ingi kathumba.
Hatuna pesa. Tulifungiwa sheria na Supreme Court ya 2013, ndio waziri alisema, ule alikuwako Yatani alisema hata peana pesa ya 2015 hiyo ya CDF Act, lakini sasa tuko na Profesa Njuguna Ndung'u, tunatarajia pesa zetu za CDF zikuwe released.
We therefore would like to emphasize that these funds, even though integrated in the Constitution, must be as precisely defined in terms of the functions they are going to undertake and in terms of areas of focus in view of the development endeavors they are going to target. So, Honorable Speaker, I am happy that this has come in time, and I pray that members of this House will support this particular motion, and we shall amend the Constitution to integrate these funds as much as we are also going to include the Ward Fund. Honorable Speaker, I support.
Na ndikia gutegera na kuona nikethira kigina gia CDF gigekirwa kiri wathani boba mukathe Dr. William Ruto na kethira kinya kigina kia Ward Fund kigatonywa kiri katiba. Nkiripotera nteto cia weru wikendi Gîchunki gia siasa riakwa rietwa ni Mutugi Kare.